Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the transmission mount on Mercedes C-Class W203. In order to get to the transmission mount, first we need to remove this engine under tray, and then we'll have access to the transmission mount. Next, I'll show you the location of the transmission mount. The transmission mount is located right there, just on the rear of the transmission. There's the transmission mount right there. It's held by two bolts, two on the side and two bolts on the bottom. There's the two bolts on the side and the two bolts on the bottom. Before removing the bolts, first we're going to use a transmission jack to lift up the transmission a little bit, and then we can remove the 4 bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the 4 bolts removed. Now we can take out the transmission mount. That's the transmission mount right there. Next, we're going to put on the new transmission mount. We'll put it on exactly the same way as we removed the old one, and then we'll put the bolts on and tighten them. After we tighten the bolts, next we can remove the transmission mount, and then we're done with replacing the transmission mount. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.